A very famous American poet, Walt Whitman, once said, "Happiness is not in another place, but in this place, and not in another hour, but in this hour." Okay, what exactly that is getting conveyed is that you need not procrastinate things. You need not think that I am put into something that I don't really like, and this is not what actually I am meant for, or this is not actually a place I am meant to be. No, it's not like that. The message that we have to hold, in our heart to be successful is that bloom where you're planted. Okay, so this is what I would like to tell you. As we are meeting for the first time, I am Sandra Julia Jose from the Department of English, and I'll be taking a couple of lessons from your A06 paper. Okay, so the paper, in this session, I would like to give an introduction, about the text. It basically addresses a couple of contemporary issues. What exactly are these contemporary issues? നമ്മൾ ചുറ്റും കാണുന്ന കുറേ പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ. That is what the text is trying to address. Okay, so one such is globalization. Likewise, there are so many issues that are there around us, and the people who were actually behind those who have developed the textbook, they thought like a student of graduation should open their eyes to the problems that are there around us. നമ്മൾ ചുറ്റും നടക്കുന്ന പ്രശ്നങ്ങളിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ കണ്ണുകൾ എത്തണം എന്നുള്ളൊരു നിർബന്ധം ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ടാണ് they have put such things into your common course paper. You're getting it. So don't take it as something that is like so boring or tiring or hectic. No, take it in such a way that it's like you have got a chance to open your eyes to the problems around you. ചുറ്റും കാണുന്ന പ്രശ്നങ്ങളിലേക്ക് ഒന്ന് കണ്ണോടിക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയൊരു അവസരമാണ് ഇതിനെ കണക്കാക്കുക. That is how you have to take it, not like counting on the number of pages of every chapter and thinking that when this thing is going to get over, അങ്ങനെയല്ല ചിന്തിക്കാൻ. That's not how you have to take it. Clear with that? So open your minds, open your eyes and see, and open your minds for the fresh air. ചുറ്റും പുതിയ പുതിയ ചിന്തകൾ വരുന്നതിനകത്തോട്ട് and try to understand what is happening around. It's not that how we imagine things or how it is like how the things are told to you. നിങ്ങളെ പറഞ്ഞ് പഠിപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് പോലെയോ നമ്മൾ കാണുന്നത് പോലെയല്ല the things that are there around us. It has got many interpretations. Okay, so this is like an eye opener, the chapters. So the first poem that I am going to deal with is a poem by name Turmeric. Turmeric, something very common, അല്ലേ? നമുക്ക് ഏറ്റവും പരിചയമുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളിലൊന്നാണ് മഞ്ഞൾ. Without like turmeric, there is no dish as such in Kerala. Okay, so it's like a very important component of almost all the dishes that we prepare. But there is a kind of tendency, that is there with us to underestimate the significance of this thing, this concept called turmeric. Clear with that? So in literature we'll say the technique that has been used by the poet is defamiliarization. Defamiliarization means by taking certain things that are very common in our surrounding, okay, and trying to describe it in every possible way. Okay, and we feel like, oh my god, I never knew that this thing has got this much of significance. അത്രയും എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷൻസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ട് ഇതിനെന്താ ഒരു പുതിയൊരു രീതിയിൽ പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ശ്രമിക്കുകയാണ്. Clear with that? Why exactly a poet is trying to do that? Okay, it's basically because he wants to grab your attention, okay, into certain concepts. And one such concept he discusses up here is the problem with globalization. Clear with that? There is a tendency that is there with us every time, to ignore the meaning of the things that are there around us, which are like very explicit meanings that are there around us. ഇതെല്ലാം നമ്മൾ മാർക്കും. എന്നിട്ട് എന്താണ്, we'll go after certain other meanings or certain other kind of explanations that are told to you by people in authority. Clear with that? Or you can say people in power. ശക്തിയുള്ള ആളുകൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അധികാരമുള്ള ആളുകൾ അവർ പറയുന്ന രീതിയിൽ നമ്മുടെ ചുറ്റും നമ്മൾ കണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഉറപ്പുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളിനെ പോലും നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ ചിന്തിക്കില്ല. We feel like, no, that's not the right way. We have to do to understand the concept, because this is my interpretation. I'm not supposed to go by my interpretation. This is a feeling that we actually get. നമ്മളൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് നമുക്ക് പേടിയാണ്. വി ഫീൽ ലൈക്ക് നോ ദിസ് ഇസ് മൈ ഇൻ്റർപ്രിറ്റേഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഐ എം നോട്ട് സപ്പോസ് ടു ഡു ദാറ്റ് ബിക്കോസ് ദ സൊസൈറ്റി ഈസ് ടെല്ലിങ് മീ ഇൻ സം അതർ മാനർ. Okay, it is telling me that this is not the right interpretation. So we go after what the society says. We go after what the people in authority, people in power says. Clear with that? So that is what he is trying to address up here. Turmeric is something that is familiar to everyone, okay, over here in Kerala, okay, but we give that element of what exactly is the best use of turmeric. It is we call turmeric. You're getting it. Adandana globalization. It's like an aftermath or offshoot of globalization. It has got so many other purpose to do. പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് മാത്രമേ അറിയുള്ളൂ? വീക്കോ ടർമറിക്ക് മാത്രമേ അറിയുള്ളൂ. ബിക്കോസ് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ ഫാക്ട് ഇംബൈബ്ഡ് ഇൻ യുവർ മൈൻഡ് through the powers of globalization. Clear with that? So we'll start the poem from the next class. Till then, take care and God bless. Sandra.